In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dkim in Godaddy quickly and easily. Dkim, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, is an important tool that helps protect your email from being forged or phishing attacks by verifying that an email is genuinely from you. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to ensure your domain is well protected and your emails are trusted by recipients. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, go to your Products section, where you'll find all the domains you own. Find the domain for which you want to add Dkim records. Once you've located it, click on the DNS button, and this will take you to the DNS management page. Here, you'll find the section where we will be adding the Dkim record. Now, let's talk about what a Dkim record actually is. It's a type of TXT record that needs to be added to your domain's DNS settings. This TXT record contains the Dkim public key, which helps email recipients verify your messages. Think of it as a digital signature for your emails, authenticating them and ensuring they haven't been tampered with in transit. To add this record, look for the option to add a record on your DNS settings page. You're going to select TXT as the record type. You'll be presented with fields to fill in, specifically for the name and value. This is where you'll need to have your Dkim information ready, which you should have received from your email provider or server. For the name field, enter the Dkim selector specified by your email provider, followed by your domain name. It might look something like default domainkey.yourdomain.com, but make sure to customize it according to your provider's instructions. In the value field, paste the long string of characters that represents your public key. Sometimes it looks quite complex, filled with numbers and letters, but don't worry, it's supposed to look that way. After you've filled out both fields with the appropriate information, go ahead and save the changes. Changes to DNS settings can take a little while to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours, so don't worry if things don't work instantly. Take this time to check your email provider's settings to ensure everything is in place on their end as well. Last but not least, it's good practice to verify that the Dkim record is working properly. Many email providers offer tools to help you do just that. Double-check your provider's documentation to ensure you're following their verification instructions. This extra step will give you peace of mind and assure that your emails are further protected. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to adding Dkim to your domain through Godaddy. Your email communications will be much more secure, and you'll see benefits such as improved email deliverability and reputation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.